Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update. If you still hear my congestion, I'm still fighting with the cold, so you'll have to bear with me a little bit if I start to sound a little congested. My cold just isn't going away, but just bear with me. So anyway, we have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses parts of east central Texas, northern Louisiana, south central and east central Arkansas, the northern half of Mississippi, extreme northwestern Indiana, and western Tennessee. Northwestern Alabama, sorry for getting you confused. It's northwestern Alabama, not northwestern Indiana, sorry. Sorry for the confusion. Again, the slight risk area includes parts of east central Texas, northern Louisiana, south central and east central Arkansas, the northern half of Mississippi, far northwestern Alabama, and parts of western Tennessee. So, I repeated that because I might confuse you a little bit, so my apologies. Anyway, we have a marginal risk for severe weather today that encompasses parts of east central and northeastern Texas, central Louisiana, central Arkansas, central Mississippi, central, north central, and southwestern Alabama, central and far northwestern Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky, south central Illinois, and extreme southeastern Missouri. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses the very far extreme southeastern corner of Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, northern Mississippi, extreme northwestern Alabama, and southwestern Tennessee. And there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses east central Texas, the northern half of Louisiana, the southeastern half of Arkansas, central Mississippi, north central and west central Alabama, the western half of Tennessee, the very far extreme southeastern tip of Missouri, and southwestern Kentucky. Going to today's wind threat, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today that encompasses east central Texas, northern Louisiana, the southeastern half of Arkansas, the northern half of Mississippi, extreme northwestern Alabama, and western Tennessee, and a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers parts of east central and northeastern Texas, central Louisiana, central Arkansas, central Mississippi, west central, central, and north central Alabama, central and northwestern Tennessee, far southeastern Missouri, and I think I mentioned central Arkansas, too, south central Illinois, and southwestern Kentucky. Going to today's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter larger today that encompasses east central Texas, northern Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, the northern half of Mississippi, far northwestern Alabama, and western Tennessee, and a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter larger today that encompasses east central and northeastern Texas, central Arkansas, central Louisiana, central Mississippi, west central, central, and north central Alabama. I think I mentioned central Arkansas too. Central and far northwestern Tennessee, southeastern Missouri, and far southeastern Missouri, and southwestern Kentucky. So, going to the summary for today. Scattered severe thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening from East Texas into the lower Mississippi and Tennessee valleys. Large hail and damaging gusts are the main hazards, but a couple of tornadoes could also occur. So, that's the day 1 outlook. Going to the day 2 outlook now. We have a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Louisiana, far south central Mississippi, far southern Alabama, southwestern Georgia, and the Florida Panhandle. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Louisiana, extreme southern Mississippi, extreme southwestern and extreme southeastern Alabama, much of the Florida Panhandle, and southwestern Georgia. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow, 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Louisiana, far south central Mississippi, far southern Alabama, southwestern Georgia, and the Florida Panhandle. And the hail threat for tomorrow, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses southeastern Louisiana, southeastern Mississippi, far southern Alabama, southwestern Georgia, and the Florida Panhandle. Going to the summary for tomorrow, a few strong and possibly severe thunderstorms will be possible Monday, which is tomorrow, morning and afternoon, from southern Louisiana eastward to southern Georgia and the Florida Panhandle. So, that's all I got for today. Stay safe in affected areas both today and tomorrow, and if there's an upgrade later today, if the slight risk gets upgraded to an enhanced today, then I'll have another video later. But otherwise, my next update will be tomorrow. So stay safe in the affected areas both today and tomorrow, and my next update will either be later today if there's an upgrade, but if there's no upgrade later today, then my next severe weather update video will be tomorrow. Take care.